Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for tests in college. First, begin by creating a detailed study schedule at least 1 week before your exam. This helps you allocate sufficient time for each subject. Next, break down large topics into smaller, more manageable sections to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Finally, gather all your necessary materials, including lecture notes, textbooks, and any supplementary resources before you start studying. Once you have your materials, engage in active learning. Instead of passively rereading notes, actively recall information from memory. Try explaining complex concepts aloud as if you are teaching someone else. This truly solidifies your understanding. Incorporate tools like flashcards or practice questions to regularly test yourself, identifying areas where you need more review. This approach is far more effective than simply highlighting text. Your study environment plays a crucial role in your success. Find a quiet, distraction-free space where you can concentrate without interruptions. It's also vital to take short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Additionally, ensure your study area has good lighting and a comfortable chair to support long study sessions, promoting both productivity and well-being. On test day, prioritize getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before. A well-rested mind performs better. Arrive early to your exam location, giving yourself a few minutes to review key concepts and settle in calmly. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. After the test, reflect on your performance to learn for future exams. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.